Redline is the only fully comprehensive, customizable monitoring and reporting tool to meet your system monitoring needs. Redline provides over 120 unique real-time reports and delivers more than 1,000 user-friendly alerts and notifications, all within an easy-to-use, intuitive dashboard to quickly evaluate the health of your messaging security system, Guava, your unified archiving system with Retain, your disaster recovery system with Reload, in addition to other third-party systems like BlackBerry Enterprise Server, Novell GroupWise, and Notify Technologies Mobile Device Management System, among others. Redline saves organizations time, money, and the resources associated with monitoring and maintaining a messaging infrastructure. The Redline Control Center is a simple web interface that provides a single point of administration to monitor all. Redline helps ensure compliance by addressing the requirements for Sarbanes-Oxley, HIPAA, GLBA, or any other myriad of regulatory requirements. The reports and the powerful system overview dashboard provide a quick health check of GroupWise with essential information such as bottlenecks, system availability, message traffic, message delivery, and security compliance. Ensure that your messaging system and other third-party applications stay running optimally with Redline. Redline supports GroupWise 6.5, GroupWise 7, 8, and GroupWise 2012, and can be run on NetWare, Linux, and Windows. Redline collects data from 6,000-plus monitored data points, log files, configuration files, XML data, GW check, host data, connection checks. To show you the power of Redline, I will demonstrate some of the powerful functionality Redline offers. First, I will log in to Redline. When you log in, you will see the screen you have set, whether that is the dashboard, Quick Health, or other screens. One item of note: when you first install Redline, the system will be a blank slate, meaning you will not see any data from these pages until you have installed the Redline Data Collection Agent or Redline Agent on each server that you wish to be monitored. The install on each server is simple and easy. Once these agents are installed, then the configuration of what to monitor is done through the Control Center, and the data will start to appear. I will start by showing you the dashboard. The dashboard gives you an instant view of the health of all monitored systems. As you will notice, there are gauges, charts, and graphs on this page. What shows up on this page can be configured and modified to meet your organization's needs. The first part of the dashboard that I will review is the gauges. There are two types of gauges: problem gauge or flow/load gauge. The gauges give you a quick view of each monitored item. You can set limits on the gauges, and if the data is outside a threshold, you will still see it here. Statuses are monitored via the dashboard. The status value area features information pulled from the monitored agents. You can view the 2-minute delta, which shows the value over the last 2 minutes. See the status. If anything is out of the threshold that you have set, it will be shown here, like a heavy load. Lastly, the trend field gives you the average load based on the time frame you specify. Finally, the dashboard also features daily graphs. These graphs feature information about monitored systems during the course of the day. Hover over each item to get detailed information about each data point. Now let's take a look at the Quick Health view. The Quick Health allows you to see the status of all monitored systems. See if each system is running, if it has issues, and the last time there was a response from that system. This information refreshes on a set schedule that can be configured by you. The reporting status lets you quickly see if there are any issues. Gray represents normal operation. Green shows that data was recently reported. Yellow means there is a potential problem, and red means there is a critical issue. These statuses are set by you based on your needs and preferences. Click on the system name to access the summary page for the monitored system. This allows you to quickly see the monitored system with the click of a button. Stay on top of your systems and ensure that they stay up and running. Remember that either the dashboard or the Quick Health view of Redline can be set as your start pages, along with the other pages. Either one of these pages would work nicely sitting on a data center monitor. You can quickly access any screen from the drop-down menus with just a few easy clicks. For example, you can view all active Redline alerts here in the Alert section. This view gives you the date, time, status, agent, description, assignment, and a number of actions for each alert. These actions include setting a notification time for each alert, configuration of each alert, notes on the alert, and further insight into the alert. Clicking on any of these actions will open a new window where you can view information or take action, such as editing thresholds, descriptions, and notifications. Also, on the Alerts page, you can select all alerts or individual alerts and assign them to users, solve them or remove them. And finally, on the left-hand side, you will notice that you can select each individual agent type and view just those alerts. The System view features various ways in which you can see the values for each monitored agent. You can view the system via the Redline mapping, the GroupWise mapping, by status, or an alphabetical list. No matter what view you choose, the System view gives you comprehensive information about your GroupWise, Guava, and other third-party systems. From the Redline System view, you can see each monitored agent and get a quick summary about that agent, like agent uptime. You can also drill down into each item to get specifics. As you can see, there are a myriad of items that you can view in the drill down, like the SMTP status, the IMAP status, or other values based on the system you are monitoring. The graph at the bottom shows past information about the monitored system. Also from this drill down, you will notice the tabs at the top of the page. From these tabs, you can access additional information for this agent, including the status, the settings, alerts, reports, and graphs. You can also configure thresholds, recommendations, and graphs. Redline offers you powerful reports located under the Report section. From this section, you can run, create, edit, schedule, and browse reports. You can also run queries, see a user overview, check on log file processing, and run a comparison report. I will quickly show you the steps to create a report. First, select a database to report on. Give the report a title, a description, and then choose the type of chart. Choose from table, bar, pie and column chart. I will show you a few examples of the pre-configured reports. Here is an example of a pie chart showing you the GroupWise version your users are running. And here is a bar chart showing trend alerts for each agent. Hover over the values to see the exact information. As you can see, these reports provide you powerful information about the health of your GroupWise, Guava, or other monitored systems. To filter reports based on the monitored system, just click on the name of the system and the reports that pertain to that system will appear. For example, click on Guava and see the Guava report list. Click on the GroupWise agent to see the monitored GroupWise system, etc. The remaining sections include the message tracking, configuration, favorites, and auto-refresh pages. Message tracking gives you the ability to quickly see what messages have been sent or received based on user, address, date, and subject. The message tracking also provides you the ability to perform a flow check, where Redline will send a message to test the speed to reach its destination, or if the message does not arrive at all, helping you to ensure that your system is running at its peak. The Favorites tab allows you to set favorite pages to speed up access, even to external systems. The Auto Refresh allows you to set how often Redline refreshes the dashboard, Quick Health, and Active Alerts pages. The interval can be anywhere from 10 seconds to 4 minutes, or you can disable it. And finally, the Configure section is where you will set everything up in Redline. From here, you can configure the Control Center, alerts, thresholds, recommendations, notifications, graphs, scheduler, groups, and users. For more in-depth information on using any of the features discussed in this video, You can refer to the Admin Guide or Install Guide in Redline. Also, on each page, there is a Help tab on the sidebar. If you click that tab and then click on any other screen, the help will apply to that screen. As you have seen, Redline saves you the time, money, and resources associated with maintaining a messaging infrastructure. Redline is the only comprehensive, fully customizable monitoring and reporting tool for GroupWise, Guava, and other third-party systems. For more information about Guava Redline or other Guava solutions, please visit us at www.guava.com or contact us at questions@guava.com or 1-866-GO-GUAVA.